Hey, buddy. Come. Yeah. Come. There we go. Yeah. Okay, don't move. I'm gonna help you here. There we go. See? Now you're free. Huh?
Está asustado por de cámara.
Yeah. Good boy.
Espérate. Espérate. Yeah.
Yeah.
And he said for you these two 15 cents.
Yeah. I think it's almost $1 we pay for, but maybe a little bit bigger.
This is the best one.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Uh-huh.
I took one.
This is like a.
Can I take this one?
Oh,
here we
take
go.
it. Take it. What you want. So you want to take it to your lab?
Are they getting bigger?
To your friend.
I cannot bring it in Canada. We cannot bring any
to
fruit.
your friend here. And
Oh, yeah.
Where you stay.